Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wise account for low-fee cross-border transactions, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To install a Wise account for low-fee cross-border transactions, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Wise website at wise.com. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Select whether you want to create a personal or business account. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a strong password. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive an email to verify your account. Open the verification email and click on the link provided. After verification, return to the Wise website and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be prompted to enter some personal information. Fill in your full name, date of birth, address, and phone. Provide additional information as required for identity verification. You may need to upload a photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Complete the identity verification process as per the instructions on the screen. Once your identity is verified, you can add a bank account to your Wise account. Click on the Balances tab in your account dashboard. Select the currency you want to hold or exchange. Follow the prompts to link your bank account by entering your bank details. Confirm your bank account by making a small test transaction if required. After adding your bank details, you can fund your Wise account. Navigate to the Send Money section for making transactions. Enter the amount you wish to send and the recipient's details. Wise will inform you of the fees and exchange rates before proceeding. Review the transaction details thoroughly. Confirm the transaction to complete the money transfer. You will receive a notification once the transaction is processed. Your Wise account is now ready for low-fee cross-border transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.